Oh, look at that. Park the truck over there. It's the food truck right here. How you doing? Is the pulled chicken like the shredded chicken? Is the brisket plate better than the chicken plate? Which one you prefer?
Let's do this. Brisket. Chicken.
We're gonna do chicken.
25K.
Thank you. Now off to the truck. Allah. Look at that mac and cheese though. We got the extra barbecue on side. That mac and cheese first. Okay. Chicken good. Y'all know I like it extra saucy. Gotta have it extra saucy. That was real good. Put a little bit macaroni on there, a little bit of beans. You get you some chicken. Put you some sauce on there. Shit fire right here. Oh.